Okay guys, today I just got a box in the mail. I think it's my new gun, so we're gonna find out. I've been waiting for like 2 weeks for this to come in. I'm gonna go ahead and open it right here. Hold on, I set that down right there. Alright, oh yeah, yep, it's my new gun. Okay, my mom obviously told me the wrong gun. So, I got a droid, a macdev droid, I guess. I thought I was getting a Mark 6, a red Mark 6, but I guess not. Came with a macdev, I think this is the stock trigger, I'm not sure. And it came with this. But, okay, here's the box. I don't know what this is, but oh well. The box is in terrible shape, just saying. Color red, white. Color's white. Alright, so here we go. Open it up. We got O-rings. Tons of O-rings. We got a manual. See what the manual looks like. It's pretty nice. I'm not gonna act like one of those professional guys that just got their gun. They're like, oh yeah, I like it. No, I'm freaking excited that I got this. This is a very sexy gun. I am so happy right now. I can't tell you how happy I am. I love the trigger. What else it came with? More O-rings. Allen keys, good, because I needed some for my other gun. Some militia lube. Whew. So happy right now. It's 2-piece barrel. I'm gonna go ahead and screw it on. 6.89. I don't know if you can see that. Screw it on. I'm gonna try this. Wow, this is sexy. Oh, if the barrel will ever... Oh, there we go. Okay, there we go. macdev droid. White, silver, whatever color you want to call it. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Oh geez. Alright, well, yeah, that was the unboxing, so thanks. Comment and subscribe.